Mobile Welding Station of EC63. Step 1. Installation. Put the robot on the workbench. Switch to on and fix the base. Step 2. Tool configuration. Click Preparation. Process config. Type the value of TCP and payload for the torch. Step 3. Definition of the buttons. Blue button, free drag. Green button, one-click record point. Long press 1 second, insert welding command. Step 4. Recording the path. Press the blue button to move the robot to midpoint. Click the green button to record position. Using the same way to record the welding start point. Long press 1 second the green button to insert the arc on command. Using the same way to record the welding end point. Here long press the green button to insert the arc off command. Set the welding leaving point. And one-click green button to record. Finally, long press the last plus button on the teach pendant to save the program. If you need to undo the previous step, then short press it. Step 5. Running the welding program. Open the welding program you just saved. Switch the key to the play mode. Press yellow button to turn on. Press green button to run the program. Simulation. Operation. Supporting the swing welding types: Z-type, triangle type, chamfer, and ellipse type.